Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we're going to look at a Leetcode problem, and the problem's name is report spam message. So in this question we're given an array of strings called message, and we are also given another array called banned words. An array of words is considered spam if there are at least 2 words in it that are exactly match of any words in the banned words array. Our task is to return true if the array message is spam, else we have to return false. So in this case we are given the message which consists of 3 words, and we're given another array banned words which consists of 2 words. So we have to iterate through these words and check if 2 or more words are present inside this banned words array. So first we start with this word, we check if it's present inside this list. Yes, hello is present, so the banned words count is 1. The next word is word, it is present in the banned words list, the banned words count is 2. So we're meeting this condition that we found at least 2 words, so there is no need to iterate through the third word. So you can return true as the output which is expected here. In this case, again, this is the banned words list and this is the message. We start with the first word, check if hello is present in the list. No. Check if programming is present. Yes, it is present. And the banned words count is 1. Fun is not present in the banned words list, and we exhausted through all the words inside the message array. And since the banned words count is equal to 1 and it's not meeting this condition, so we return false because only one word is present inside the banned words array. So what are we doing? We are iterating through the message, and the word we are iterating through, we are checking it inside this list. So this is an array, right? So we can store this banned words array in a set and use the contains method to check if this word we are iterating in the message is present inside the set. So let's create a set. I'm going to name it banned words, and this set is going to contain strings like the arrays. So we created a hash set. Now let's iterate through this array banned word. So I take a string, I name it banned word, and iterate through this array banned words. So I'll copy this and paste it. Now we have to add this banned word inside this set. So I'll use the add method on this set and add this string banned word. Now we have the set ready. Now let's iterate through the original message string, one word at a time. So I start with an index starting from 0th index until the end of the message array. Now we have to check the current word we are iterating inside this array. So if we have to check if this set contains the current word we are iterating, which is message of I. If that is the case, we keep track of the variable count, which is initially 0. So as soon as this condition meets, we increment this variable count, and as soon as this count variable is equal to 2, we can say the output is true. So as soon as count is equal to 2, we can return true. Else, outside this for loop, if we never return true, it means we have to return false because this condition might not have met. If this condition is met, we'll return true as the output. If we haven't returned anything, once we iterate through all the words, we can directly return false as the output. That's it. Let's try to run the code. The test cases are being accepted. Let's submit the code. And the solution is accepted. So the time complexity of this approach is big O of n because we're iterating through the arrays. And the space complexity is big O of n because we're using a hash set to store the banned words in a set. That is why the space is big O of n and the time is also big O of n. That's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.